Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Make some noise. And I'm just walking in the street to reach Tirimani Ghat, and that is very close from here. And I will be there within few minutes. And it's an extreme decoration throughout the way. You can see the decorated shop throughout here and there. And I'm just walking. It will take approx few minutes to be there, and I will just try to show you. Yeah. So finally, I reached in front of the gate of Thirimani Ghat, and I am very close to it, and very soon I will be there. This is the main entrance, steps down, and this is the main gate of Thirimani Ghat, and I just enter into it, enter into the area of Thirimani Ghat, and you can see the color, and there is just a flag, and that's a beautiful place. You can see lots of people. If you come here, you feel the beauty and calmness of this area because it is just located beside the river Ganga. Are selling flowers here. You can, if you come, you can see just lots of people there just selling their flowers, and you can see that there have the vast area. If you go there, you can see the light there, and you can walk through there. And mainly, this is the place you can visit, and this is the main area. Once you will come here, you will see this is the place for the aarti especially. And so if you come here, you can see the beautiful place here, and wow, really amazing one. Yeah. And here is the Ganga just floating calmly, and beyond it there is jungle, there is forest. If you go there, even people say that they can see tiger there. So this is the beautiful place of Thirimani Ghat. Yeah. So if you come here at the evening time, and if you sit here watch the aarti, and people are doing their prayer, and the Ganga is just blowing beside it, and you can feel the gentle breeze and colorful decoration, and people are searching for peace. And so actually it's so beautiful. You will feel the beauty of here, and most importantly the gentle breeze, that is so important. Once you will be here, you can see it in the steps, and that's really something amazing. Yeah. So if you come here, you can enjoy this beauty, and you know that visiting is really fun. And if you really want to some make some noise, you want to cheer, then just come out from your home, visit the new places, explore the areas, and that's really enjoyable for you. Hopefully, you have enjoyed the place, you have visited the place, and you liked it. So thank you for watching, and let me meet you again with another video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, and bye bye everyone.